Deleting your Twitter or the X account is easy. You need to first go ahead, open a web browser, go to x.com, or you can also launch your X application on your mobile device. Then after, go to the More icon from the left-hand side of the screen, and then from the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on Deactivate Your Account that is under your Accounts section. Once you do that, tap on Deactivate again, which is highlighted in red color. Then you need to enter the correct form of your password of your X or the Twitter account. Once deactivated, you can reactivate your account within 30 days of deletion. You just need to enter the correct form of your username and password, and then you can instantly log into your account even after deactivating within the 30 days period. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and delete your Twitter account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.